Pratika is a steam generator ideal for domestic use, equipped with a suction function. This technology, called Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. The boiler has a capacity of 1.5 liters, which develops 5 bar of power thanks to a pair of heating elements of 2400 watt in total. The boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same, while the click-and-go system allows it to start working within a few minutes from the ignition of the machine. Our exclusive FlowMaster technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. Pratika, thanks to its powerful steam cleaning system, will make your home a cleaner, more fragrant and fully sanitized place. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.